Okay, we've got Unit 3 Revision Gold. We're going to do question 1a, which is approved by mathematical induction. It's a summation question. Remember step 1, we need to prove true for n equals 1. So we'll take our left-hand side, and that's going to be 4 times 1 plus 1 gives me 5. Our right-hand side, 2 times 1 plus 3 equals 5. So that equals my left-hand side. Therefore, true for n equals 1. Step 2, is our assumption step. Assumption step. We're going to assume true for n equals k. So that's 5 plus 9 plus ... 4k plus 1 equals k, 2k plus 3. So for our second step, which is our assumption step, that's just put k's in. It's a nice easy step to do. Step 3 is our inductive step, and that's when we've got to prove true for n equals k plus 1. Okay, so this is usually the biggest step. So what we're required to prove is if we do for k plus 1. So that's 5 plus 9 plus ... plus 4k, 4k plus 1 plus 4k plus 1 plus 1 equals k plus 1, 2k plus 1 plus 3. Notice this is my first term, second term, this is my kth term, this is my k plus 1th term. Because I substituted in a k, I substituted in a k plus 1 because that's the next sequential term. And then I substituted k plus 1 into the right side. So now to prove, left-hand side equals 5 plus 9 plus ... 4k plus 1 plus 4k plus 1 plus 1. Now this is where we do our substitution. This part is where we assumed. So we're going to do a substitution. We know 5 plus 9 plus ... to 4k plus 1 is equal to k, 2k plus 3 plus, and then we've still got, I'm going to expand this bracket, 4k plus 4 plus 1. In our third step, we are always going to do a substitution using our second step. This gives me 2k squared plus 3k plus 4k plus 5, 2k squared plus 7k plus 5. Just simplifying it up, it's a nice little quadratic there. Now, we've got to show that that's the same as the right-hand side. Now, the right-hand side is equal to k plus 1, 2k plus 1 plus 3, just directly from my required to prove. Let's expand it out. So that's going to be 2k plus 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3, 5. Now I've got two choices I could do here. I can expand this to prove it's equal to the left-hand side, or I could have factorized the left-hand side and showed it's equal to the right-hand side. Because it's such a simple expansion, I'm just going to expand it. Plus 5k plus 2k plus 5. 2k squared plus 7k plus 5 equals my left-hand side. And then we just do our little statement at the end. By mathematical induction, oops, my writing is a bit messy, induction, the statement is true. Is true. And that's 1A on the revision gold.